Today, I will demonstrate to you how a Jinlong inverter is connected with 7 battery packs. First, connect the 7 battery packs in series, the positive and negative electrodes between every 2 units. After the series connection is completed, check whether the copper bar is connected tightly. 7 battery packs are connected in series to form a total positive and a total negative. Connect the total negative to the negative electrode of the high voltage control box. The total positive connection has been completed before. This is the last step of connecting, where the circuit will form a loop. At the moment of the circuit, a voltage will be generated. Therefore, you must be careful not to touch the surface of the metal terminal with your hands at this time. And the power of the battery system is assembled. Then it is the connection of the communication part. First find the green terminal communication interface under the high voltage control box. Then connect to the green communication port of the first battery pack. Then the communication lines of the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th packs are connected in series in sequence. At this moment, the communication connection is complete. And the construction of the entire battery system has also been completed. Now open the high pressure control box. You can see that there is no red alarm indication at this time. This means that the entire battery system is normal. Now I will demonstrate how to connect the battery system to the energy storage inverter, including the power part. Now find 2 connection ports, the battery 1 and battery 2 respectively. Here we are connected to battery 2. Connect the positive and negative ports of battery to the 2 positive and negative output ports on the right side of the high voltage control box respectively. The positive electrode is connected to the positive electrode, and the negative electrode is connected to the negative electrode. Then there is the communication connection between the high voltage battery system and the inverter. Because we are connecting to the port of battery 2, so we need to find BMS 2. If battery 1 is connected, you need to connect BMS 1. First, insert one end of the network cable into the BMS 2 port. Then insert the other end of the network cable into the inverter network port of the high voltage controller. The whole system is built. Then the next step is to turn on the grid. First turn on the DC switch of the high voltage controller. And look at the screen. The home page is such a situation. Then you can observe whether the BMS has communicated normally. If it communicates normally, it will show BMS, OK. Then it will show the voltage of the battery system and what the SOCs is. Then conduct the battery charge and discharge setting test. First press the Enter key to enter the menu. Select System Settings. Then select the storage mode to move down. Here is the charging time period setting. Then here is the discharge time period setting. Tick now. The charging time period setting and the discharge time period setting must ensure that the time periods are staggered. There can be no overlapping time periods. Here are the time period, start time and stop time and target current. Then the SOC. If you are charging, the target SOC to be set is higher than the SOC value of the current battery system. Then discharge the SOC, lower than the actual SOC capacity of the battery system at this time. This numerical generation of desired discharge depth. Now we test the discharge. The current battery system is at 59% battery capacity. And then we set 50%, which means we need to have a 50% discharge depth. And now it's starting to discharge.